Again.
Look at Ben Rhodes. This is the highest we've seen him run all night.
Oh, damn. Come on, Lane Riggs. Come on, Lane Riggs. You can do it. Get the fuck off your ass and do it. I'm a fucking flip on the fucking front stretch. How many going into fucking turn one? There's gonna be a truck like fucking on the wall into the catch fence. And it's upside down. And everyone's gonna be like, how the fuck?
8 top 10s. By the way, this is his home track. We're up in Washington, D.C., not too far up the road.
Oh, caution is out. Oh my. He fell asleep again.
I mentioned earlier he was running in the free spot position and he got that quick caution he needed to get back on the lead lap. And big break there. You just gotta know, Phil, it's just gonna get worse and worse. They're just gonna push harder and harder. We've seen a lot of
It's like the fucking championship race all over again.
Take those blocks a little bit better early in the going than you are late.
Time adjusting in the 10th spot, 98, after that pit road penalty earlier. There's a replay of the most recent incident. There's a 33. Lawless Allen just misses the 88.
You have the back tires fired up, trying to keep it pointed in the right direction. Did a nice job of keeping it out of that inside wall.
So pits are open. We mentioned Stephen Parsons, the free pass.
Bulls extended the last caution by falling asleep.
No, I don't think so. I think
And our another caution.
30 laps.
I'm falling asleep again.
Somebody thinking about coming to pit road.
And Fox and their fucking shitty angles, we don't know what the fuck happened. We just see the truck already sideways.
Good time for someone to gamble. Yeah. Never gambler knows.
Yeah.
To survive it.